Hey everybody, the birds are back. I know there's a lot of wind, sorry about that. Can't do anything for you. But the birds are back. Let's go have a look. A lot of weird stuff going on around here. Got a hole in the sky there. Looky here. I should have my gimbal out here. Look at these birds. I mean, that's a lot of birds. Wow. I mean, I can't express how big that is. It's almost the whole field. Wow, look. Look at that. Like from a movie, man. I mean, and they're not even harvesting this field. Look at them. They harvested this field a month ago. This was corn. Look how big that is. I've lived here for almost 5 years now. I've never seen birds like this. Don't most small birds go south for the winter? Is it November, winter? I mean, look at that. That is trippy, man. Uh-oh. Here comes some friends. Look at this. They're little military friends. Scaring the birds away. Look at that. Wow. C-130 maybe? It's taking a deep turn now. Guess it's headed towards Andrews. It went past the secret base back there. Look at them. They're doing these amazing patterns. Oh, man. Just fascinating. Look at that. Look at that. It's the whole sky, man. There's a tree behind the window in my room, and I can hear them when the sun comes up. They all start to sing. And apparently their song is the frequency to let to notify the plants that the sun's coming. It's all part of one thing, universe, one song. Where we live. Look at that. Wow. 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 That's a lot of birds. That's a hawk, looks like. Red-tailed hawk. He went the other way. These are all blackbirds, I think. So many. There we go. Wow. Oh, please don't go to bed if you want me. That's incredible. And then they all come back to the same area. I mean, how many birds can that be? Thousands and thousands. You can hear them in the trees. It's really odd. I've never seen this before. A lot of things nowadays never seen before. Like a swarm of bees almost. Well, I pray all are blessed. God bless you. We'll see you soon.